Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Confirm OneDrive is installed and updated on your PC before proceeding. Open Settings and check your Windows version is Windows 10 or Windows 11. Make sure you have a Microsoft account, signed in and ready to use. If OneDrive is not installed, download it from Microsoft and run the installer once. Sign in when the OneDrive Setup wizard appears on screen to complete configuration. Allow OneDrive to run at startup so it launches with Windows automatically. Enable Files on demand in OneDrive settings for selective sync. Open OneDrive from the notification area and sign in to your account. Click the OneDrive cloud icon, then choose More and Open Settings to manage preferences. In Account, confirm your folders are selected to sync and available in File Explorer. Turn on Files on demand to see cloud files without full local download if desired. To surface OneDrive, open File Explorer and navigate to see /users/your name /OneDrive and confirm files appear. Right-click the OneDrive folder and choose Pinned. If OneDrive does not appear, reset the app using the reset command shown next. Run %localapp/Microsoft /OneDrive/OneDrive exe/reset and wait up to 2 minutes for restart. If the icon does not return, launch OneDrive manually from Start or run the executable. Restart File Explorer via Task Manager to refresh the navigation pane if necessary. Reinstall OneDrive from Microsoft or update Windows if resetting and restarting fail to resolve the issue. After fixes, verify folders are selected to sync and pin OneDrive to quick access again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.